Once you download the app, there's a simple screen that tells you about what we do. Click Let's Go, and now you're on a sign up page. There are 3 ways for you to sign up: Google, Apple, or your personal email. The most popular and the easiest way is to use Google or Apple. Tap on Google, continue, choose the email you'd like, and there you go. The app is ready for you to use straight away. And the same goes with Apple. Right here you can choose to change your display name. As for the email, you can change it to share or hide status. Continue logging in and the app is ready for you to use now. The third way is also quite simple to use, which is your personal email. You can just tell us your first name, last name, your email, and the chosen password. Create the account and the app is ready for you to use once again. Let's now move on to sign in. The sign in for Google or Apple works exactly the same as their sign up process. And you can also use the email approach to sign in. Just tell us your email and password. And if you forget about your password, you can recover it by telling us your email. We will then send a reset link to that email address. Or simply just use Google or Apple to sign up and sign in all the time. It is the easiest way to get everything working properly and smoothly.